In this video, we will learn how to copy data from a blob CSV to a SQL table using copy data activity. In the last video, we created an Azure SQL database with an industry data table and set up linked services for blob storage and SQL database. Now, we will create two datasets. For this, click on the three dots on the right side of the dataset to create a new one. As we are copying data from blog, search for Azure Blob Storage, select it, and click on Continue. I selected delimited text as the format since the file is CSV. To set the properties of the selected format, choose the linked service from the drop-down and browse the actual file from actual path. Check first row as header if it is unchecked. Select Import Schema from the connection store if not selected. Click on OK. Then we'll create dataset for Azure SQL table. Here, search for Azure SQL database. Select it and click Continue. To set the properties of the selected format, choose the linked service from the drop-down. Select Industry Data as the destination table, select Import Schema from the connection store, and click OK. To create a pipeline for copy data activity, click on the three dots in the pipeline option and click on New Pipeline. Search for copy data under the Move and Transform option. Then drag it to the white surface on the right side. Then go to the source option below, where the source dataset points to the industry.csv file in blob storage. Here, select delimited text 1 from the drop-down. Then move to the sync option. Select Azure SQL table 1 from the drop-down. Since we are copying data from the blob CSV, no changes are needed in the sync. It will remain as it is. Go to the mapping section and click on Import Schemas to verify whether the schemas are imported correctly or not. After finishing, click Validate to perform validation. As no errors were found, it means our copy runtime environment has been successfully validated. Let's debug the pipeline. In the meantime, we need to refresh below to check whether it is successful or not. Once successful, go back to the SQL database. Log in here using password. Query the industry data table, and you will see the CSV data successfully loaded.